Yes, Miss Hina Iqbal, you are one of the participant who is like among the early birds who has responded first for this conference. May I request you to kindly share your experiences, that what is your understanding and perspective and how are you contributing in sustainability awareness creation?
Ma'am, I'll definitely good evening, everybody. It's a pleasure sharing the platform and being a part of this community. I am a K-12 science teacher. I'm heading science for my school and for the Superhouse Education Foundation. I'm an expert mentor in innovation and science pedagogy. So we've had a youth conference in school, and we had worked upon series of projects where we were trying to inculcate this habit of sustainability in school children. So, ma'am, I have been constantly working and trying to enforce even the teaching pedagogy in teachers. Like in day-to-day chapters, there are chapters which are non-environmental based. So, what I do is I try to incorporate sustainable methods, sustainable ideas, and teaching skills where they can, teach children to be aware and conscious of each and every important, resource which we are losing very fast. Like I talk of water conservation, whether it's an English class, whether it's making a bar chart or a numerical or a formula, we talk of water. So I try to collaborate and integrate subjects with sustainability knowledge. So I am working on it, and I'm trying to put in a lot of, so I'm learning a lot from everybody. Every session, I'm listening to the experts and seniors and people who have got a lot of exposure and experience. So I think I'm going to evolve as a teacher, as a mentor, and a trainer, ma'am. So this platform being associated with you has always been a learning experience for me. I'm very new to this level of exposure, but I'm really learning a lot, and I hope I come up as a better teacher and mentor when I come back from Dubai. Thank you.
Thank you, Miss Hina. Thank you very much. And you are most welcome in Dubai. And so I'm expecting from Dr. Kabale also to join us in this endeavor, even Dr. Alka as well. And our previous guests, those who have shared this platform. Now, if you have any queries, Dr. Balakrishnan Ramanathan, you are with us in all our endeavors. Can you please throw some light that how we have taken this journey from leadership? We started our journey from the leadership and from leadership to sustainability, because leadership is not just to show our authority. Leadership is to give to the society that is like due to the new generation and next generation. So, Mr. Ram, will you please throw light on this?
Hello. It's a great thing to hear from both of them, Dr. Kabali as well as Dr. Alka. They are having a lot of insights and inputs for the people to share today. Myself, as a sustainability development, is the goal sets fixed by United Nations for endorsing all kind of elements and the requirements for the 17 elements for the government, governance, people, and their life to be getting empowered. Moreover, it is also going to be implemented in all sections from the education level to employment and entrepreneurship and socio-economic factors. It should be considered and provided the support for the futuristic generation to learn and evolve in these particular segments. That is the way the current conference will definitely add value for the people who are willing to become the tomorrow global leader and put on the strength as well as support for the sustainability development in all sorts of way. So that's why we wanted to handle together to engage this particular session and the
Thank you. Thank you very much, Dr. Ram. And let me just narrate today's incident, what happened. Today I was invited by a kitty party, okay? So I thought that this is going to be a golden opportunity for me where I'm going to meet around 2025 very high influential ladies, very high class ladies. So I accepted the invitation and I went over there. It was over the lunch. So we had very lavish lunch, all sorts of dishes, many items and all. Then after that, I started speaking about my this initiative. And I showed them that, see, this sandal I had just kept, it was broken, and I was supposed to throw it. But yesterday I took it to the cobbler and I mended it. And today I am wearing, and I have come to this party in this sandal that was already discarded, but I am reusing it. So that is our initiative of recycle, reuse, reduce. And that's what is my mission, that I have come over there. Then after some time, I realized that I think my message is at the wrong place, it seems. Because, the ladies were all silent, and one of them has started making fun of me and then mocking at me and said, "Oh, it means that in your conference, mochis are going to attend." Do you know mochi? Mochi means the cobbler. In Hindi, it is called mochi. So it means that in your conference, mochis are going to attend. I said, why Mochis will attend? Mochi has done his work. Now we will attend, and we are going to ensure that Mochis are getting more and more work. They are not idle sitting. We are reusing the things. But it took time, but gradually after half an hour, like personal negotiation, when I told them that who am I, what I was doing before, and why I entered into this arena, what is my initiative, then of course it was a successful endeavor, and I was able to at least mold 2 ladies out of that who are willing to be the part of this endeavor. So I think that this is really a great success. I can say great success of EduFam International and ACE International. I just wanted to share this. Thank you very much, everyone, for joining. And I think with this, we come to the end of today's program on the expectation that we all are going to be the part of the grand conference to be held in Dubai on 14th September. I have shared the form here. You all can go through the form if you have any questions, queries. So even I am going to share my WhatsApp number with you all. You are most welcome to to contact me through the WhatsApp. Because it's very difficult to pick the call all the time. We are busy in our programs. You can drop a WhatsApp. So it is 971-50750-9125. This is my WhatsApp number. For more queries, for more information about the conference, you can contact me. But please be the part of this grand initiative. It's in the hybrid mode. If you cannot travel to Dubai, you can even attend from the place wherever you are right now. And let's all contribute in this noble cause. Thank you very much, Dr. Khabali, for being with us, and hope to see you in Dubai, inshallah.
Inshallah.
Okay, so thank you, Hina, thank you, Wani, thank you, Manikandan, thank you, Santhria, thank you, Asma, thank you, Nalla, thank you, Haridharan, thank you, Abhiram,
Welcome, ma'am.
Karthik, thank you, Bharat, thank you, Harini, thank you, everyone. And with this, we come to the end of today's session. Have a great day ahead, and good night for those who are going to face now night at their places. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, all.
Thank you, everyone. Good night.
Good night.